Hello, this is Mark, Recovery Freedom. I want to ask a question. Do you have a problem drinking? This is an answer that only you can answer for yourself. Other people might be able to answer this question for you, but only you are the one that actually answer for your own self. Loved ones, friends, co-workers can say you're probably drinking, but until you believe that you're probably drinking, you probably won't accept the fact that you're probably drinking. But just take an honest look at yourself, how you're drinking. Like when a long weekend comes up or a holiday comes up, are you excited about going out drinking? Are you excited about the parties that you go to? Is your weekend being dictated by alcohol? Does alcohol intake dictate your weekend? Is alcohol a big part of your plans when you have a long weekend or on any weekend? So, is it a question that only you can answer for yourself? And if you don't have a problem drinking, that's fine. But just observe your own self. Just observe how you are. Like if you don't have a problem drinking, like if you're going to go to like a party and they have Diet Coke and they have beer. And if your desire for the reason why you drink is because you're thirsty, then why not drink the Diet Coke? Why go for the beer? It was just to satisfy thirst. But again, it's only you that's going to be to observe. So just observe how you are when you're at social situations or parties where you're around others. What type of feelings come up about having a drink when other people around you are drinking? Can you have just one or two drinks the whole entire evening? Or leave a drink, and walk away from it? Just have a couple of sips? If you can, observe. Observe how you are on alcohol. And really take an honest look at yourself because only you, this is a question that only you can really decide for yourself. And observe the effects of alcohol upon you and others. It's very interesting when we observe our behaviors and also the behaviors of others and see what role alcohol plays in your life and the lives of others. So just be aware and present and notice. And if you find yourself being drawn to have more alcohol after having only one or two, and find yourself not being able to control your drinking, maybe problem drinking. Maybe test yourself. Go to a party and don't have any alcohol. But observe yourself. Only you are the one that can judge for yourself if you're probably drinking. But play around with it. Maybe have one or two. Or leave one half full. But again, like if you don't have a problem drinking, and alcohol is just something you just have like when you're in some situation or parties, that's fine, but just recognize, do you really need to have that alcohol? Or does it serve any purpose? Maybe just like the taste. But it's up to you to decide. And I'm not saying that by drinking there's anything wrong. Because there are plenty of us that can drink alcohol in moderation. And don't probably drink it. The alcohol is just a beverage. But there's those of us that are also probably on that borderline. There's a thin line between crossing that bridge and having a problem drinking. If you're almost there, just be aware of it and notice. So being present, having awareness of the presence of having a problem drinking is a good start. So I just want to keep this short and just like the message is be present and be aware and notice your alcohol intake and the effect, if any, it has in your life and also those around you. This is Mark, and thank you very much.